Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of May, in the year 2025. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.29. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 22.88% since we first listed Tesla as a buy candidate just 7 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.27% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper range of a notably broad and horizontal trend. Typically, this scenario may present a favorable selling opportunity. However, if there is a breakout above the upper trend line at 362.68, it will signal a strong buy and suggest a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend indicates an anticipated change of approximately 0.581% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return varying between negative 35.98% and positive 4.23%. In terms of a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 35.9%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 7.86% to positive 108.95% over the course of the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price ranging between 322.47 and 731.29. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "Green Day on Friday for Tesla stock," after gaining 2.09%. The Tesla stock price increased by 2.09% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, rising from $342.80 to $349.98. During this trading day, this stock fluctuated by 2.71%, with a day low of $342.33 and a day high of $351.62. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 21.86% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 91 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $31.78 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest was $167.41. Currently, the price stands at 28.36%, or $138.56, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. This week, Tesla stock has experienced a significant boost, rising 2.5% amid a broader tech rally alongside Nvidia. This increase is attributed to easing trade tensions between the United States and China, as well as the repeal of the Biden administration's chip export rule, which benefits both companies considerably. In the short term, this positive sentiment can drive further investor interest and potentially escalate stock prices. Additionally, Tesla is making strategic moves by enhancing its leadership team. The company recently announced the addition of Jack Hartung, a seasoned executive from Chipotle, to its board of directors, effective on the 1st of June. Hartung's extensive experience in balancing operational efficiency and growth could positively influence Tesla's operational strategies, particularly as the company prepares to launch its innovative diner and charging station concept in Los Angeles. Long-term, this could position Tesla as a leader in integrating customer experience with electric vehicle charging infrastructure. Furthermore, notable figures in finance, such as Bryn Talkington, are discussing their options trades in Tesla, reflecting ongoing institutional interest. This could enhance the stock's liquidity and further stabilize its price. Overall, the combination of easing trade conditions, strategic leadership additions, and heightened trading activity suggests that Tesla is well positioned to maintain momentum in both the short and long term, potentially driving its stock to new heights. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs granted Tesla a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler awarded Tesla an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Wedbush evaluated Tesla as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave Tesla a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Tesla stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The chart today reveals mostly positive signals. Tesla's stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be found at $325.11 and $274.23. A decline below either of these levels may trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 57.75%. Continued upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that trading volume diminished during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal noted 28 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal identified 68 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal observed 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal noted 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, a buy signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 55 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.95 and $282.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, if Tesla breaks the support at $284.95, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $9.29 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.71%. In the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 410 of a dollar. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $354.11. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $284.95. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 9th of May, 2025, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Taneja Vaibhav also conducted an insider purchase of 4,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 9th of May, 2025, Taneja Vaibhav sold another 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 6th of May, 2025, Denholm Robin M. conducted an insider purchase of 112,395 shares of common stock. On that same day, Denholm Robin M. also sold 5,967 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 54.236. Overall, insiders purchased 1,016,890 shares and sold 3,357,912 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $339.62, representing a decrease of 2.96%. This stock experiences significant daily movements, which introduces a high level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over 14 days, is at 77, further elevating the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 27 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, leading us to conclude that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of May, we expect Tesla to open lower by $2 and begin trading at $347.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.